let's talk about the steering wheel. Flat bottom, multifunction. This one's got paddle shift.
Nice.
No one uses that, Connor.
No, I like it. It's nice to have.
You don't use it. You do not use it.
I use it on my racing rig at home. That's it.
It's 100% a gimmick.
Yeah.
But a lot of people do like it, and they but you use it the first day and then go, God, that's a pain in the arse. I'll just let the DSG gearbox to sort all that. You've got a nice GTI badge down here.
That's slick, that. And
then this sort of like perforated leather sort of grip here as well, which just breaks up the steering wheel. All in all, very nice. A lot of people have commented about this sort of the buttons here on the steering wheel, to sort of, you know. And people, I've seen loads of videos, people saying, you know, you just brush it and it changes the radio or changes the volume. I've got to say, in my experience with these selectors here on the steering wheel, that's utter nonsense.
Really?
I've never sort of just touched it and it's changed the radio station or done anything. You do have to give it a bit of a push to get it to do something. So I'm not buying that. I like it. I think they work really well. I don't like these here, to be said. These selectors here where you know, I've never kind of got sort of, you know, to grips with them particularly, especially when driving. They're a little bit fiddly to do, so I just use the one on the steering wheel all the time to up and down the volume, change tracks, things like that, and it works absolutely perfectly. So I think they're more than adequate.